Hey there. Where are you off to? Nope. This way. Micka's enjoying the rain. Yeah. She's never gone out for like 2 weeks, so she's like making it up. And besides, I'm off today, so I've managed to let her out. Even though it's raining right now. It's not a heavy rain though, it's more like just a light drizzle. And this is what she usually will do. She will like sniff around. All those other dogs have marked their territory. Micka. Hey Micka. Is there unusual smell? Yeah, she likes to sniff. She just likes to sniff. That's why every time when we are out, when we are going home, we have to bathe her and wash her mouth properly, because sometimes she will smell like she will smell all those other stuff that she shouldn't smell, like like a lump of shit along the way. Hey, where are you off to? Micka, this way. Here. So I just like let her off without a leash, because something like I can trust her, because I've brought her here many times and I've taken out her leash, and she doesn't really like run away from you. She just like she's kind of like so attached with me whenever we are here at the park. Yeah, she would like run for a meter distance, but when she realized that I'm walking slow, she would like stop for a moment, and yeah, she will wait for me. See, like that. Micka, you look like a squirrel. This way, please. On the other side. Here. Look at that. She's quite obedient. What an obedient dog. The only flaws with this dog is like, Micka, not there. Shh. Here. Here. Shh. Micka. Here. Come here. Come here. The only flaw with this, the only flaws, I mean, there are many flaws with this dog. So one of it is like at home, when we have visitors, she would like bark at them furiously, like people are there to rob our house with what we don't know. We don't even have like bars of gold at home. Okay, Micka, here we are. Micka. And when we stop for a while in one place, she doesn't really like it. She would like see, this is what she do. She's like asking me to like hey, let's move around, something like that. Micka, should we go home? Micka, should we go home before the heavy rain comes? Micka. Okay. See, she's like that. She's very restless. And then she'll start to like whimper. If I don't really move, then she starts to whimper and like she'll cry like a little bit. It's not really crying, more like whimpering. and she will pester me to move on ahead. But right now it's the sky is gloomy. Okay, the sky is gloomy. Micka, where are you? The sky is gloomy, and now it's like I normally won't go out around this time because the sky would still be bright, but right now it's gloomy. So if you just see the sky is gloomy. So yeah, I'm scared that if we would go far, heavy rain would come, and I won't be able to manage her and my small umbrella. So hi there, Micka. Yeah, see, she's quite restless right now. Okay, Micka, we're going home. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye, Micka.